In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-accept or decline calendar invites in Outlook. If your inbox fills with meeting requests, you can set automatic rules so Outlook handles them without manual effort. We'll use the Outlook desktop app on Windows, and settings can be adjusted or turned off later. First, open Outlook and go to the File menu in the top left corner to enter Backstage View. From the left panel, choose Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Calendar. Scroll to the section labeled Automatic Accept or Decline and click Auto Accept/Decline. Here, you'll see checkboxes to define how Outlook handles meeting requests. The first option, Automatically Accept Meeting Requests and Remove Cancelled Meetings, keeps your calendar tidy by accepting new invites and clearing cancelled ones automatically. Organizers will see an automatic response. Next, choose Automatically Decline Meeting Requests that conflict with existing appointments to avoid double booking. Outlook checks for overlaps and declines if conflicts exist, so ensure important holds are entered accurately. You can also enable Automatically Decline Recurring Meeting Requests if recurring series don't fit your schedule. Be careful, as declining a series rejects all occurrences. After selecting options that match your workflow, click OK to save changes. Outlook will now apply these rules to new invitations. You can return anytime to adjust your selections as your schedule evolves. That's it, your calendar is now smarter, automatically managing meeting requests to save time, prevent conflicts, and keep your schedule organized. With these simple steps, Outlook handles routine scheduling, freeing you to focus on important tasks without worrying about manual acceptances or declines.